Have you ever been hyped to check your credit score, only to be met with a confusing message, "No credit history found"? Maybe you've been using a credit card responsibly for years, or you just moved to a new country. Either way, it can be frustrating to see that dreaded no score notification. But fear not, credit-curious comrades, because today we're unraveling the mystery behind Borrowell saying you have no credit. The truth is, there are a couple of reasons why this might happen. The first culprit? Not enough credit history. Think of your credit score as a report card that tracks your borrowing habits. If you're new to credit cards and loans, or you primarily use debit cards, the credit bureaus simply don't have enough information to give you a grade. It's like showing up to your first day of class. The teacher doesn't have any tests or assignments to assess your knowledge yet. But what if you've definitely been using credit responsibly? There could be a mismatch between the information you provided Borrowell and what the credit bureau, Equifax in this case, has on file. A typo in your address, a slightly different middle name, these seemingly minor details can create a big roadblock. Imagine you turn in an essay under the wrong name. The teacher might not even be able to find it. Another possibility, multiple Equifax files. Believe it or not, sometimes the credit bureau can create duplicate files for the same person. This can happen due to previous address changes or even just inconsistencies in reporting. If this is the case, it basically means your credit history is scattered across different folders, making it difficult to generate a complete picture. So, what can you do if Borrowell says you have no credit? Don't panic. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Double-check your Borrowell profile. Make sure all the information matches your credit report exactly. A typo here can make a world of difference. Step 2. Request your free credit report directly from Equifax. You can do this online or by mail. Take a close look and see if there's anything missing or inaccurate. If you spot any errors, dispute them directly with Equifax. Step 3. Consider contacting Borrowell's customer support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and see if there's anything specific on their end preventing them from accessing your credit report. If you find yourself with a thin credit file, all is not lost. The good news is, you can start building credit history today. Here are a few options. Secured credit cards. These require a security deposit but function like regular credit cards and report to the credit bureaus. Become an authorized user on someone else's credit card account, with their permission, of course. Their positive credit history can piggyback onto yours. Consider a credit builder loan. These are small loans specifically designed to help people establish credit. Remember, building credit takes time and responsible behavior. By using credit wisely and making payments on time, you will gradually build a positive credit history that unlocks a world of financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.